So hi, my name is Lam. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Wisepass, and today I'm just going to answer a few questions about the project that we are running for the past 5 years now. So the mission of Wisepass is basically how to connect brands and consumers and make sure they can build those relationships. And the product that we built is actually a lifestyle membership where people can actually subscribe for a flat fee, and every day they can enjoy one item per day. So the vision is basically how to get in the palm of your hand an access for anything, anytime, anywhere. And this is what we've been building for for 5 years. And this is the first thing I wanted to share. So the problem we're trying to solve right now, if we are addressing the blockchain, is quite simple. Now it's quite hard just to spend your crypto. And the problem we are solving is really straightforward. It's how to make things very easy for people who have a lot of crypto and want to spend it in the real world, such as getting a cup of coffee, or actually get a bowl of wine or whiskey in the restaurant or in the bar. How to get a lunch, dinner, access to movie tickets, or many more things. That's what we are doing at Wisepass, and this is a problem we're trying to solve. The way we solve it is quite simple. We are now partnering with a lot of different blockchain projects where we just accept the token, and then based on it's a flat fee again, $35, we top up our Wisepass account, and we let crypto holders to enjoy and access all the services we have been building in our network, our ecosystem. So one example is ThomoChain that we are about to introduce in June. ThomoChain has already an app. They already have users, and the way it works for them is quite simple. We just have a dApp, and users just have to do a couple things. The first thing is just to tell us the email account that they want to top up, and the second is just to confirm the transaction. We would basically receive the Thomo token, and that's it. That's how it would work. We do exactly the same with many other projects now, such as Dash, MVL, Hit Foundation, and many more to come. In terms of business model, our business model, we started with subscription 3 years ago, and we have added transactional right now. That means we have a lot of people who subscribe and will pay a flat fee every month, starting around $150, $300, and $700. For transactional, we lower the price point where some people don't want a subscriber membership. They just want to use Wisepass. For those people, what we did is to create a plan pay-as-you-go. You would pay roughly $35, and this is pretty much what we're charging with all the blockchain projects we're connecting with. Roadmap. Within the next 18-24 months, we are planning now just to expand across Malaysia, Indonesia, and Singapore. Currently, we already have a presence in Thailand, Vietnam, and the Philippines. We have now more than 300 active locations, and we plan just to get more than 1,000 within the next 12 months. What we're going to do in order to sustain and scale the project is basically to keep expanding with our partners globally. So in our model, we need to have wine, spirit suppliers. What we've done is to partner with a global group named Pernod Ricard. This group actually owns Chivas, Absolute, Ballantine's, Glenlivet, and they are our main supplier in Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines. We will basically do exactly the same in all the other countries we're going to expand. So this is one. Second is for our coffee suppliers, we decided to work with Starbucks. And for the 5-star hotels, we decided to focus our attention on the Marriott group. In terms of marketing and the way we're going to expand and drive up the demand, we focus on 3 different buckets. We have like B2C, B2B, and B2B2C. B2C is pretty simple. It's targeting individuals. B2B is working with the businesses. They buy from us and then they let the employee using it. B2B2C is likely to be our main drivers, where we're going to basically implement the APIs of many different businesses and accept the points from those customers. An example of we just closed is Grab. So Grab is an app. They have millions of users across the region, and what we do now is to integrate with them by accepting the points from Grab. We started to work with American Express, and we accept the cards. They have cards. The customers has points. We will basically consider on working on how to accept the points from American Express. As we grow and as we start to have more of those partnerships, we believe that the sales will be scalable. Right now, we believe that we have some strong advantages because like the project started way before we got some interest into the blockchain. So in a way, we are very old-fashioned for the business. We started as a tech company, and we still are. And what we do is to focus on how to build a great lifestyle platform to connect those users and provide them an access that would be very cool. And that's the core essence of Wisepass for the end users. It's how to make sure they can enjoy, how we can make our suggestion for the activities they'd like to do like the most relevant as possible, based on multiple dimensions, such as location, of course, based on the market. Like we look at what all the other members are doing, where are they coming back, and then based on that, we make suggestion to our users. And as we grow, and this is how the data is going to make sense, then we will be able to just generate better recommendations over time through our machine learning. But today, we're generating only 2,000 redemptions a month, and we're targeting to drive more than 20,000 a month in 2019.